People of different ages, religions, and castes live in the SFS colony. They want their colony to be a happy and united place. For this, they are all trying to become good citizens of their colony. Today, with them, we will learn about why we need rules. In this lesson, you will learn about the Indian Constitution. What does it do? Why is it important? Suku and Akram live in SFS colony. They are sitting in the park and talking. Suku says,
Jaya always parks her car outside my house. When I come home from work, there is no space for my car. She lives in the biggest house. That's why she thinks she can do anything she wants.
Akram says,
My neighbor plays loud music at 5 a.m. every morning. I have complained to him many times, but he doesn't listen. I am not able to sleep.
Suku says,
That is not good. We need to do something about these problems.
what do you think SFS colony needs? New rules for the colony members. New colony members. Yes, when many people live together, they need some rules. Suku and Akram speak to other people of the colony. They decide to create a rule book for SFS colony. Just like SFS colony, every country also needs a set of rules. India's rule book is called the Constitution. Why do we need a constitution? Select the correct option. To treat all citizens equally. To tell citizens how to behave with each other. To protect all the citizens. All of these. You are right. Yes, the Constitution does all of this. The Constitution of India is like a rule book. It is made up of laws and rules of the country. It also tells us about the rights and duties of citizens. It helps to manage the country in a good and fair way. Did you know? All countries have a constitution. The Constitution of India is the longest constitution in the world. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the writing team. Some of the members of SFS colony have started writing their rule book. Here are some things they discussed together. Can you guess their final answers? Who should decide what happens inside SFS colony? The residents of SFS colony, people outside SFS colony. You are right. Residents of are free to set their own rules. This means that SFS colony is a sovereign. India is a sovereign country. This means that India can make its own decisions. Other countries do not make or affect the rules and decisions of India.
People from many communities live in SFS colony. On Lodi festival, some Punjabi families of the colony organized a fair and collected money to make an open gym in their colony park. They need to get permission from the SFS colony head to build it. Why should the colony head allow them to make the gym? So that only the rich families can use it. So that only the Punjabi community can use it. So that only males can use it. So that everyone can use it and stay healthy. You are right. Yes. So that everyone can use it and stay healthy. Who should be allowed to use this open gym in the park? Only the Punjabi community of SFS colony. Members with a lot of money. Everyone but the watchman. All members of SFS colony. You are right. Yes. All members of SFS colony.
India is a socialist country.
This means that the government should give equal resources and opportunities to citizens from all castes, religions, genders, and financial status. In a socialist country, the citizens and the government cooperate to make sure that everyone has access to food, healthcare, clean environment, and education, whether they are rich or poor.
Who should be allowed to live in SFS colony? Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, people without a religion, everyone. You're right. Everyone is welcome to live in SFS colony. They can also practice any religion they want. This is called being secular. India is a secular country. This means that people from all religions are treated equally in our country. Different people think in different ways at SFS colony. What should they do if they have different opinions from others? They should keep quiet and follow the rules. They should talk about their opinions in a respectful way. You are right. All SFS members are free to think however they want. They are also free to make their own choices. This is called being democratic. India is a democracy. This means that everyone is allowed to have different opinions and make their own choices. Because India is a democratic country, it will give equal respect to everyone's opinions and thoughts. SFS Colony wants to choose a colony president. Who will choose this person? Members with a college degree, all members of SFS Colony, members with a lot of money, all members of one religion. You are right. All members will make this choice together. This is called being a republic. India is a republic.
This means that all citizens have the freedom to vote for a leader who will represent them. One person, like a king or a queen, does not have all the power in a republic country.
These are the main principles of our country. Like SFS Colony, India is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. One day, Akram went out for a walk and noticed a lot of people standing in front of the park. He went there to see what was happening. Akram says,
What happened? Why are you all so worried?
Suku says,
According to the rule book, we are not allowed to take our pets to the park.
Debu says,
Our dogs need to play and run around. They need the park.
Akram says,
Don't worry. If you all think this rule is unfair, we can tell the president of the colony. I'm sure she will be able to change the rule.
like the SFS Colony Rule Book, our Indian Constitution can also be changed. Such changes are made if the citizens think that some rules are unfair. This is called an amendment. The following are examples of amendments in the Constitution. Click on each box to know more. In 2005, the Right to Information Act was added to the Constitution. According to this act, the citizens of the country have a right to ask for information from any public or government authority. According to Section 377 of the Constitution, same-gender relationships were a crime in India.
In 2018, the Supreme Court changed the law after many people protested. Everyone should be allowed to love who they want.
Read about some of the laws that exist in our country. Think about how they impact your personal and professional lives. Here are some websites that you can visit.